Welcome to Learning English with Stories. The Unexpected Encounter. Today, as I stroll through the park, something catches my eye. A glint of light reflecting off something shiny nestled in the grass. Curious, I approach and discover a small, old-fashioned pocket watch half buried in the earth. It looks like it's been there for years, forgotten by time. I pick it up carefully, marveling at its intricate design and the way it feels solid and weighty in my hand. As I turn it over, I notice initials engraved on the back, JD. Who could JD be? A pang of curiosity drives me to find out more about this mysterious timepiece. As I continue walking, I see an elderly man sitting alone on a bench, feeding breadcrumbs to the pigeons. He looks peaceful, lost in thought. I decide to approach him and ask if he knows anything about the watch. "Excuse me, sir," I say tentatively, holding out the watch. "I found this in the grass nearby. Do you recognize it?" The man looks up, his eyes widening slightly as he studies the watch. A flicker of recognition passes over his face before he smiles gently. "Why, that's my father's watch," he says softly, his voice tinged with nostalgia. JD are his initials, Jonathan Davies. "He used to bring it here every Sunday when I was a boy, just like I do now." The man, whose name is Mr. Davies, goes on to tell me stories of his father, a watchmaker who loved this park dearly. He reminisces about their Sundays together, sitting on this very bench, talking about life and watching the world go by. Mr. Davies thanks me warmly for finding the watch, a cherished memento of his father. He insists that I keep it as a reminder of this unexpected encounter and the memories it has unearthed. As I walk away from the bench, clutching the watch in my hand, I feel a deep sense of connection to the park, to its stories, and to the people who have walked its paths before me. I realize that sometimes the most meaningful experiences come when we least expect them, like finding a forgotten treasure in the heart of a familiar place.